Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inserting two AA batteries or connecting USB power. This supplies stable voltage for recording. Next, insert a micro SD card. Once done, the recorder needs storage to create files. Hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn it on, then set language and date if prompted. You do this now so files are time-stamped and the mic preamps initialize correctly. Make sure the hold switch is off, otherwise buttons won't respond. And you can proceed to select recording mode. You now select the correct input. Choose mic for onboard mics or external mic via the mic jack or line in for mixers. Once selected, press the menu and go to input to confirm mono or stereo and sample rate. While monitoring with headphones, adjust REC level so loudest sounds peak around -12 to -6 dB. This preserves headroom and reduces noise. If you use a condenser mic, enable 48V phantom power. Turn it off for dynamic mics to avoid damage. You're ready to record. Press REC once to enter standby and hear input through headphones. Press REC again to start. Look for the red LED and timer. When finished, press stop. The H1 writes the file to micro SD as WAV or MP3 so you don't lose takes. If playback or recording fails, troubleshoot by checking the hold switch, battery contact, input selector position, and that the headphone monitor isn't muted. Also verify file space on the card. Format the micro SD in the recorder if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.